up, guys? So I know it's been a while since we've done a video, but we're gonna try and do more and more. I've been kind of slacking. It's winter, so we didn't have a whole lot to do, but we're on our way to Zach's again up in Cleveland. We're gonna go up there. We got a little bit of a surprise of what we did to the truck, and then he also picked up my truck, which you probably saw on my Instagram, and took it up there. They have a show called the Piston Power Show, so we'll be there all weekend. But I'll catch up to you when we get closer to there or when we get there. So peace. So next morning we just went to the hotel, crashed, but just got some breakfast on our way to the Piston Power Show. Bentley's being Bentley, but heading there, gonna see what it's about and go hang out with Zach for today and tomorrow, and then drive through a fucking tornado tomorrow, I guess. But the ice cream good? Trouble seeing, bud?
I can't see nothing, dude. They're going to pay the power bill on this motherfucker. We got a rust line. Alright, turn it this way.
Yeah, it's definitely.
Hold on a minute, dick.
I think it'd be easier to just hold this bitch.
Alright, probably not. Alright, that's craziness. Alright.
It's coming.
It's coming. Oh, here it is. Oh, there it is.
It's trash. You want this?
Ew.
No.
Why does it look so bad?
I wasn't even holding it, you cunt. Like, help me out. What?
Shit.
Oh no. It's tipping.
Get out of here. We have no idea.
Well, I hope so now that you just
Oh!
done it.
Alright.
Gotta go a lot more than that, huh? Yeah, I'd say so. Alright, pull that tip off.
Sure.
Pull it off! Oh.
Oh! Ready?
Oh, there it is.
Hey, that one came off pretty good. Oh.
Yeah, because it wasn't all the way on.
Don't scratch
It's
it.
loud.
Yeah.
Oh, it's slipping.
Oh,
Bitch. Apparently I can't with you, dude. Need to get these burgers off.
jerky. I think that's gonna be good.
It's gonna rain here. I don't have a hood.
I know. The Ron didn't pack it with it.
Is that gonna be bad for me?
There it is.
Yeah, I think that's just good.
Wait, is that?
So does that make me, do I get money back since we're cutting my girls?
We're working on a Sunday right now, so that's triple time?
Yeah.
Times two?
Yep. Are you clocked in? No, the fuck you
Yes, I am. It's on camera.
Where?
So I just Bentley, bro, you gotta
That
chill.
wasn't me.
It wasn't the fucking neighbor.
That wasn't me. Yeah.
Where's my nut and my all that other shit?
Right here. Oh, okay, might not do this.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Why are you dropping the head, Steven? I lost the washer.
Washer? Washer?
That damn washer. Bentley, shut this while I'm fucking you up.
Okay,
Can I get a? Yeah.
Raspy.
Yeah, it was my boy.
throat there, huh, buddy?
Can I get a?
Stickers are weird.
Wait, I'll say it again.
Can I get a?
Ready?
My head hurts.
Up in here.
He's my kid.
It's gonna blow metal shavings off, so watch.
Oh,
That's the first time I heard it. It actually sounds way better now than I'm the first time. It's crazy different. Oh, yeah. Sounds like a truck there. Not even like,
hey, pay up, bro. Pay up. Ah.
what are you doing? You can fucking breathe now.
I'm actually.
burn my plastic too much.
It's not even on it. The last one was on it. Yeah. Almost positive I put that on the rock. I did. You remember that truck, Mike?
What's the limiter?
I think so. 9,000. I hit the button on remote start when I was fucking doing it. Literally slid on the screen and said remote start disabled.
That's too far, bro.
Yeah, there you go.
What's the limiter?
3,600.
Bro, what?
We have Shake Shack.
Shake shit.
The fuck
Shake
is
my
my
Shack.
shit?
It's weird driving this motherfucker.
You hear the exhaust right now, too.
Yeah, I was wondering. I didn't want to muscle too much yet until I heard what you said to do.
The tip made it louder too. They always do.
Jerky.
Exactly. Let me hear you moan, bro.
What the fuck?